My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Supreme is going to be dropping the North Face collaboration, and to be honest, I have low expectations as far as being able to cop. Supreme is really on top of their anti-bot, and I'm pretty bad manual. Even in the event in which any of the bots that I use work, I'm probably gonna get payment declined anyways. But as always, we're just gonna run our bots, see if I could get anything. If I could, that would be awesome, but if I don't, I won't be surprised.
Popped up, yeah. Here, going.
Yeah, I don't know. I would.
Payment declines. Submitting order. Submitting order.
What are you submitting order on?
Yes.
Payment decline.
I gave my dad my copy of Mac Prima and he got 2 jackets.
You're kidding.
What?
I'm not kidding. Life is just like that sometimes.
Oh, I got 2. I got 3, 4? Oh, I'm getting too many. I got 4 t-shirts. What the f? Dude, I got so many. Holy sh**. Oops. My buyer better hook me up. I was able to secure 5 t-shirts today. As you can see, my bot didn't work. Only 2 bots worked for Supreme during the initial drop, and unfortunately I do not have either of those 2 bots. Not terrible, but I think I could have gotten a jacket if I was a little bit faster on my manual checkout. But anyways, let's do a quick unboxing for these shoes. Here we have the black skeleton Air Force 1 in a size 8. I wonder if the bottoms are glow in the dark. We're gonna find out. I didn't think it would be, but it is. Alright, so as you can see, that little piece is glowing. Anyways, tomorrow the What the LA Air Force 1s are going to be dropping. This is kind of the same deal. I don't have very high expectations for this drop. It's supposed to be very, very limited. There are barely going to be any websites that are dropping, and we'll see how it goes. I just copped a bunch of makeup. So basically the story is my friend Joanna said, oh hey, can you check out this makeup bundle for me? Because it's gonna be a little bit hard to get, so she asked for my help. And then I look in some of my groups, and the Calicos group actually advised its users to cop some of the things on their website. So I just started running my bots, and this was honestly much harder than I thought it would be. So basically I was able to pre-sell all of the ones that I got email confirmations for on eBay for some pretty good profit. I'll have the profit list right here. And oh my goodness, the Conspiracy Collection Bundle, I was able to pre-sell that on eBay for over $500. Now after fees and shipping, obviously my payout is gonna be a little bit less, but oh my gosh, this is so much profit for a single item that I could have gotten way more of. The reason why I didn't go for more of this was because no one was really sure about the stock numbers, so it could have bricked. But what happened was, the website was so dead and people wanted this so badly that even before it sold out, it was selling for such a high price. Despite my L's on the Air Force Ones, I got a pretty decent amount of money just from this makeup, just from maybe like 20 minutes of setting up. Shout out to Joanna and shout out to Calicos for letting me know about this crazy opportunity that a lot of people slept on. Like almost everybody slept on this. Anyways, we have a package to open. Let's see what's inside. Here we have the CPFM jersey in a large. I'm gonna sell this on eBay as well, or Grailed. On Grailed it's going for about $300. I'm not sure if any of those are actually being bought, but the problem is I don't have too good of feedback on Grailed yet. I haven't sold on there before. But anyways, tomorrow there are 2 very important drops. Let's see how we do.
It's a 3 drop day! Not 1, not 2, 3! You're gonna cook the first. You're gonna cook the second. You're gonna flip the omelet on the third. Nom, 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 nom.
Anybody using the spoof browser? This video is sponsored by Notify. If you want to get into reselling but don't know where to start, joining a group is an excellent first step. Groups are my personal primary source of information for site lists, restock alerts, guides, and much more. Here's your chance to join one of the best. Notify is restocking membership slots on November 17, 2019, so check out their website notify.vip to see what they're all about. I'll see you there. ended up with 2 Yeezys and 1 Jordan 1. I kind of went with a high risk, high reward strategy where I went with the more difficult to get sizes. So the risk is that I don't end up with anything because they were much harder to get. And the reward is if I do end up copying, then those are going to be selling for more than the other sizes. It looks like size 10 is a size I maybe should have gone for. It's not doing too bad, but nevertheless, I am quite pleased with the results. Anyways, I do have some packages over here. These are from Supreme. Let's open them up. Here we have the TNF white t-shirt. It is super clean. I would show you guys the back, but I don't want to unds this. Alright, so I have 3 so far. I'm waiting on 2 more if I'm not mistaken. I did not get any cancellation emails. They either went to my other addresses or they have yet to be shipped. We're gonna have to find out. But I do believe that my check at Stadium Goods is ready to be picked up, so thinking of dropping some more shoes there and getting my check sometime soon. Between yesterday and today, I've been able to get 3 Converse restocks, and the retail price for these are really cheap. But nevertheless, I should be able to get at least $20 to $40 profit for each of these shoes. And that's not bad at all, considering it took me less than 3 minutes to be able to cop these. I was able to manual everything with the help of Shoeplex monitors and announcements. But anyways, I got a few packages that came in, so let's open them up. Alright, seems like the rest of the Supreme stuff came in. Large North Face tee. And another large North Face tee. Alright, so at this point, none of my orders got canceled seemingly from Supreme, and that is a really good sign. Even though I currently don't have any bots that work for initial Supreme drop, if I do manage to get one, it's good to know that my address isn't banned, my information isn't banned. The privacy cards ended up working. When I say privacy, basically what it is you can make multiple different credit card numbers. So for releases where they would only normally let you do 1 per customer, you can make multiple different virtual credit cards, each with different credit card numbers, so you would be able to check out multiples. I have a tutorial on that in the description. First of the Yeezys came in, so let's see what it looks like in hand. Shoot, that is nice. It is a lot darker in person, unless maybe you shine it up to the light. This colorway is so freaking sick. These are definitely gonna go up in price, especially the smaller sizes, which I got 2 of, and that means I'm going to be holding on to these for a while. Unless they do like a super huge restock on these, but nevertheless, these shoes are fire. Anyways, I'm going to be dropping off some stuff at Stadium Goods today, as well as picking up my check. I'm not going to be dropping off too many shoes, just these. I know for these, I did not do a live cop for them, and I can't tell you quite yet how I was able to obtain these pairs, but I can give you a very big hint. It did not take me any effort to get these at all. If you could figure it out, then that's dope. But if you can't, then you'll just have to wait until a future episode, but I think I will eventually. So let's get going. Alright, by the next episode, we're probably gonna have the Travis Scott Air Force Ones dropping, hopefully. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like that's going to be another impossible cop, but I'm gonna try my best. So we'll see if they even drop on the next episode.